which is an important symbol of the celebration.
7 nights to celebrate Kwanzaa. 7 candles that